I'm going to be making my famous homemade cranberry sauce that everyone loves. And we're going to need some cinnamon sticks, a tiny little pinch of cloves, some pink Himalayan sea salt, fresh cracked vanilla, the juice of 1 giant orange, 2 bags of cranberries, fresh, and some sugar, as well as some water. Okay, these are giant navel oranges, so they don't have any seeds. And if there is a rare seed, then we can just pull it out. Oh, look, there's a seed. It made me a liar. Whoopsie-daisy. That's all. I'm going to start with 3/4 of a cup of sugar. It might need more than that, but this should be about right. You need a tiny pinch of cloves, about that much. It didn't record, but a sprinkle. Oh, you bum. What was that? 1 cinnamon stick. I don't know why on earth they would put that on there, so we're just going to take that off. Cracked salt, which just brings out the flavors and everything else, doesn't make it salty. And a splash of vanilla extract. I'm also going to add 3/4 of a cup of water, which will go in with the orange juice. So we don't need 2 of those because we added the juice of 1 orange. So just 1 portion water. And I'm going to stir all of this together. God, that smells so good. We're going to turn this on to medium heat, allow it to come to a boil, and then the cranberries will start to pop. Because the sugar is not completely dissolved yet, we want to stir this occasionally to make sure that the sugar dissolves and does not cook to the bottom and burn. Sometimes it will boil over. When it starts to do this, it's time to start smashing the cranberries. Whoa! Basically what you're going to do is just smush everything to the side of the pan and help along the popping. Once that's done, give it a taste test, and if it's not sweet enough, add a little bit of honey or some additional sugar. Once it has cooled, we're going to put it into containers and save it in the refrigerator, or you can freeze it for Thanksgiving.